Welcome to this Phoenix Systems instructional video on how to change your ion door plunger battery. Before we begin, you will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a CR1620 battery. Once we have the screwdriver and battery, we will start by ensuring the alarm system is disarmed, or in ready mode, before we begin. Next, we will locate the door sensor. Most of the time it is at the bottom of the door frame. It will have a screw at the top and bottom and will look like a button. Once you have located the sensor, you will need to take the screwdriver and take out both screws. After that, you will pull out the sensor from the door frame, leaving the straw in there if needed or possible. The sensor will have a blue back. You will peel the blue backing off, exposing the battery. To take out the battery, you will push it out from the side. Once it is out, you will put in the new battery, making sure that the plus sign is facing you. After securing it in place, you will put the blue backing over the battery, hearing it snap in place. Once it is securely back on, you will insert the sensor back into the door frame. If there was a straw, place the straw on the antenna first, then insert the sensor back into the door frame, lining up the existing holes together. Now, you will screw the sensor into place, securing it to the frame. After the sensor is in place, open and close the door, making sure you hear or see the sensor being registered on the panel. Congratulations, you have successfully changed out the battery in your door sensor. Thank you for watching this Phoenix Systems instructional video.